Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off AirDrop on an iPhone. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So guys, I'm going to show you two methods by which you can do that. So let's do that via first method. So for that, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. And after that guys, you have to tap on this general. And then you have to tap on this AirDrop. And you can see guys, I have this AirDrop screen opened, and currently I have this everyone option selected. And here we have this little message. Let's read that. AirDrop lets you share instantly with people nearby. You can be discoverable in AirDrop to receive from everyone or only people in your contacts. Okay, so here we have three options: receiving of, contacts only, and everyone. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this receiving of option. So let me tap on this, and you can see this option is now selected. You can see the check mark next to this receiving of. So it's now done guys. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So it's done via first method. Let me show you via second method. So let me turn on AirDrop first. So let me open my settings app. Let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this AirDrop. Let me turn on this. Let me tap on this everyone, and after that let me close this settings app. So let's do that via second method. So for that, what you need to do, you have to open your control center. So on iPhone 10 or later, you can open Control Center by swiping down at the top right edge of your iPhone's screen. So this is my iPhone 10R. So let me swipe down at the top right edge of my, this iPhone's screen. And you can see I have this, Control Center opened. And after that, you have to go to this network settings, square. And then you have to tap and hold on this, rightmost edge over here in this blank area. So let me tap and hold on this, and you can see guys, I have this screen opened, and here we have this option. You can see AirDrop everyone. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this button. So let me tap on this, and I have this screen AirDrop, and here we have three options: receiving of, contacts only, and everyone. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this receiving of option. So let me tap on this, and you can see AirDrop receiving off. And after that you can close this. Just tap over here on this blank space, and after that you can close your control center. So just swipe up from the bottom, and it's now done guys via second method also. So that's it. In this way you can easily turn off AirDrop on an iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.